I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't have the skill level to be really fucking with this thing. Oh my god! Alright, so Drew just handed me the keys to his S1000. So we are gonna go take a quick lap with it. I forgot he has no rear brake. He doesn't have a rear brake. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god! Oh. Holy fuck, bro. Come on, find neutral. There's neutral. And then it's green. Holy fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! You're getting so much trouble. I was getting into so much trouble. I don't want to bring it back, dude. I don't want to bring this back. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look at this fucking view. I really hope this camera's gonna work out. I know the angle's not gonna be great, but god damn, brother. The pops. Oh my god. Oh, alright. Alright. We'll bring it back soon. Oh. That's not good. Oh my god, boys. What a way to end the trip. Oh, I can turn there? I don't like that. Oh, it has the auto blip. It has auto blip. Oh, the heated grips are getting nice and toasty too. Oh my. All right, we'll do a little baby pull. And he said that flashing is just the tire pressure. He put pressure in it, but he said that it wants like 40 psi. He put a little less than that, I think. So I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't have the skill level to be really fucking with this thing. Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy fuck, dude! Oh my god! Holy shit! I hope that camera's on. Oh my god! The fucking Holy, I'm so sorry for the. There's no type of commentary. This is me laughing. This is so fucking stupid. Oh my god. Oh, he's got no gas in this. Give the boy a little wave. Oh my god, dude. Shit, dude. And look at that fucking view! Oh my god! Holy shit, brothers. Oh my god. I really hope this is getting my audio. Oh, I think I'm in night mode though. Fuck. That sucks. The backfires in this thing is... Oh. Is this it? Yeah, this is my turn. Holy shit, dude. I think I need a 1K. The front wheel might have come up.